is my tutorial for a Hugs and Kisses Valentine's Day tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum spray paint and satin sweet pea. Now I am going to apply my glitter using the epoxy method. I curated a glitter pack with PDB Creative Studio back in November, and I had yet to make a tumbler using those colors. And when I mixed the colors to begin with, I did so with Valentine's Day in mind, so even though I'm a tad late making this tutorial, technically I'm right on time. So yeah. Feel free to substitute any of the colors you like to make your own designs. Let your glitter layer cure, then seal with a coat of epoxy. Then we'll be ready to add our X's and O's. I hope everyone had a fabulous Christmas and a happy New Year. I took a full week off from crafting, and when I tell you I walked back into my craft room after that full week off, I felt like I didn't know how to do anything. It was the weirdest feeling. I walked in there and I was like, what am I doing? What am I supposed to do? Epoxy? What's epoxy? Even though it was just a week, but you know what? I am back in the grind and I'm ready to make some content for 2024. To find my stencils under the glitter, I'm adding some glue, but I decided to do the tack it method instead. So if you do this, you don't need the glue because you can clearly see your stencils under the flattened glitter. But if you decide to glitter regularly, then make sure you add something to your stencils so you can find them later. When you're done applying your glitter, remove your stencils. I sealed my glitter with Krylon Triple Thick, then sealed with a coat of epoxy. But to tie all the colors in together with this layer of epoxy, I had some, oh my word, can I talk in 2024? I mean, that'd be great. But with my leftover epoxy, I mixed in Lovesick from PDB and it was perfect. You, of course, do not have to do this, but as always, I am always trying to reiterate the fact that you want to stand out, and it's the extra bits that make that happen. So go ahead and do it, okay? You'll thank me later. Let this layer cure, then seal with one more coat of epoxy to make sure our tumbler is nice and smooth for our decal. Tech Wrap Craft has this bubble-free mirror chrome vinyl, and y'all, I'm impressed. I stay clear from using any type of chrome vinyl because it's a pain in the butt to get that bubble-free application, but this vinyl, I had no problems whatsoever. I absolutely love it because normally that chrome vinyl, I mean, you there's like nothing on your cup, okay? And then you go to lay down that chrome vinyl and there's always an air bubble like right on the edge, and so you're taking something to kind of get the air bubble out, but then you epoxy it and you can still see it, and it's just, oh, yeah. No problems with this one though. No problems at all. No problems at all. Some extra sparkle, because who doesn't love some extra sparkle? I'm going to be adding Steel Rose into my last coat of epoxy, and just I mean, like, okay, you don't have to do this, y'all. You don't have to. You don't. I'm not going to say you do, but you know, do it. For the bottom, I kept it simple with glitter and a matching heart that we used. Well, the matching heart, it matches the rainbow vinyl that we used in the decal and my signature. You may have noticed I used Fast Set for the bottom because, you know, something I realized coming off my winter break was that I was almost out of UV resin. I had a teeny tiny bit left, so for my initial glitter application, I used CCDIY Fast Set. Then I'm going to be finishing up with the remaining UV resin that I have in the bottle. Yeah, and then I'm going to let it cure outside for a couple minutes. Yeah, I was out. I ordered some so fast. It was crazy. They have a sale going on right now, by the way. 25% off, including UV resin, on their website. Use my code BMDDesigns10 with the little percentage sign at the end. I'll have the code down below in the description box to get 10% off on top of the 25% off they currently have going on their sale. He's all done. I absolutely love this palette pack, you guys, and I hope you do too. I tried to take it outside so you can see the sparkle that's coming off this tumbler. It is absolutely stunning, but as always, the camera never does it justice. Never. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all my mentorship and channel members. I literally could not do what I do without you. Have fun making your hugs and kisses tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.